English together.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel.
This, that, these, and those are called demonstratives. We use this, that, these, and those to talk about whether something is near or far from us. This and that are singular. These and those are plural. Generally speaking, we use this and these for things that are here or near us. We use that and those for things that are not near us. Let's look at some examples. I like this apple. I like that apple. I like these apples. I like those apples. Now let's do exercises. Try to fill in the blank.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel.